Hey everyone, this video is specifically designed for busy working moms. I know that as a working mom, we play a lot of different roles and we have a lot of expectations that are put on us. And oftentimes what happens is we put ourselves at the bottom of the list. But this does not have to be so. It is possible to be healthy and be a working mom. And it's really important too because we set the tone, we set the example for our kids, and we want to model what healthy living is all about. When you are looking to be healthy, it's really important to eat clean, whole foods. And what that means is foods in their most natural state. And you can do this without any supplements, without any program. But what I have found is it can be very time consuming to prep everything from scratch. It also takes a lot of background knowledge and information to know exactly what you need and how you need it. And it can be very costly to get all of these ingredients, especially if you're looking to get them in their cleanest, most organic form. So Arbonne's 30 Days to Healthy Living is one way that it makes it possible for busy women to be healthy on the go. One of the great things is we don't have to worry about 2 meals a day. We have our protein shakes right here, which are phenomenal. They taste like dessert for breakfast. And so that's one way to get a full nutritious meal without having to think about what am I going to do? How am I going to prep this? We also have our energy fizz sticks, which are phenomenal, and they give you a pick-me-up without a crash. And this program comes with other supplements that help you to absorb the nutrients that you are taking in and to get rid of the things in your body that you don't. As well as these supplements, we have hundreds of recipe ideas for ways to eat clean using these products and also just eating clean whole foods. And there's support along the way. So if you are interested in learning more, check back on this channel for some ideas. I'm also going to put a link in the comments for you to check out the 30-day program. And I would love to share more. So if you have any questions, check me out on Facebook. I have my Healthy Empowered Living Facebook group, which is really designed to help people who are on the go stay healthy with all the responsibilities that we have going on. Because we as working moms need energy, we need focus, and we need our health so that we can serve those that we love the most, the best. Thanks so much, and we will be in touch.